reps all together, please. So you're going 10 one way and then 10 the other. So with all of these standing exercises, ensure your core is switched on. In other words, your lower abs are pulled in nicely. Knees are soft and you're lengthening up through the top of the head towards the ceiling. So good posture throughout. Moving on to side bends. Feet are shoulder width apart. Slide the hand down the side. You're doing 20 in total. So mobilizing the spine, loosening up the body, getting it ready for a little bit of exercise. And after this, we're doing walking heel flicks, where you put your hands behind you and flick one heel at a time up towards the hand. Now we're doing torso turns. Twenty reps altogether, please. Try and keep your hips fixed to the front and turn the upper body around as far as it will go. The walking heel flicks come after the torso turns. So torso turns 20 times. A very gradual increase in intensity from the start of this 13-minute workout to the middle. Okay, walking heel flicks next. Now you can go as fast or as slow as you want to, but please increase the intensity and work as hard as you can. If you've got a knee injury, do it slowly. You can even get support on a chair if necessary. If you don't need that, then flick the feet up fast. You can even go into a running position if you want to. Otherwise, it's walking heel flicks for 40 seconds. Okay, we're on to a soft jog at the moment. Ready to go? 30 seconds. Now it's low impact, so one foot should always be on the floor. Now if you need to march on the spot, do, but if you don't need to, keep moving the legs fast. Now you can still move the legs fast, but keep it low impact. Nice relaxed shoulders and smile like that young man. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Okay, changing it. We're going to go to air boxing. Stress management. Keep the shoulders back and chest high. Breathing nice and steady. 30 seconds, go. So move the hands as fast as you can. Try and keep the forearms parallel with the floor. As the elbows go back, they go past the midline of the body. Shuffling on the feet, bobbing and weaving, ducking and diving, appropriate to your own fitness levels. Nearly there. And resting for 10 seconds. Then we're going to back to that easy jog on the spot. For 30 seconds. Go. So moving the feet moderately fast. Shoulders relaxed. If you need to march on the spot only, do so. Get support if you need to, otherwise you're moving the feet fast. Jolly jogs. 5 seconds left. And then we're going to dynamic arm swings. Give yourself a big hug and open the arms. 30 seconds. Dynamic stretch for the chest and the arms. All part of the preparation for this workout. Be happy. Last 10 seconds. Dynamic stretching for the chest. It's really important when you're starting out or trying to get fit to start at an appropriate level. Now that's getting carried away. Too happy. You don't need to do that. Okay, we're going to body weight squats. Go as low as you can. Use your arms to counterbalance. You're doing 30 seconds. Push through your heels. Great exercise for strengthening and toning the legs. The arms are going forward to counterbalance, prevent you falling over. Again, get support if you want to. Last few seconds of the body weight squats. Try and get the thighs parallel with the ground, otherwise it's partial range of movement, and rest. Okay, we're going back to the walking heel flicks that you've done previously, so you're now an expert. You've got 30 seconds of this. So keeping the heart rate up, so you're burning fat, improving your fitness. For the next exercise, you're going to need your resistance band. So ideally it would be the heavy level, the black one, or you can use a blue one. Make sure the band is around something secure, because you're going to be working your arms and your back through the resistance band pull. Okay, so when you're doing this in a standing position, make sure the shoulders sit back and there's always constant tension on the band. When you pull the band towards you, you squeeze between the shoulder blades. Are you ready to go? Let's do this. The band row. This should not be easy, so step back further if you need to. Constant resistance. Again, like the boxing, the forearm should be parallel with the ground. Don't stop chatting like that chap. Great exercise for the arms and the back. So you're squeezing the shoulder blades together. Keep your core switched on. The knees are soft. So the posture we started with, and rest. Right, if you have a mat, get the mat. We're going to work the chest. You're on mat. We're going to do press-ups on the knees, please. You're going to do 40 seconds. Elbows to 90 degrees. 3, 2, 1, go. Now you can test yourself and count the number of press-ups you do in 40 seconds. It's entirely up to you. Technique is the most important. Elbows going down to 90 degrees. You're rolling on the knees. You see the core is switched on. Keep your chin tucked in. We'll continue on the mat after this one. We'll be doing the dead bug lying on your back. For now, continue with press-ups. Try and count the number of reps you've done. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good job. Well done. Lying on your back. We're going to do dead bug, core exercise. It's very important that your abs are pulled in tight, your head is supported. We're doing a whole minute on the dead bug. Go. Take your time with this. Make sure your breathing is nice and steady. The shoulders sink back into the floor. Oh, who's that? And you're lengthening one arm away on the opposite leg. Now, if you've got lower back problems, the other option is to move one arm only. We have clients that have spine problems and are working effectively to strengthen their spine by holding the dead bug position, engaging the core, and then moving, alternating single arms, and then progressing. Keep going. Dead bug. The more you can pull in your lower tummy, the more effective this is. Remember, the other option is for you to move 2 legs at once. Last few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Okay, you're on all fours now. We're going to bird dog. So you're lifting, for example, the left leg and the right arm, and then the opposite side. And again, we're doing 1 minute. Nice flowing action, ready to go. Let's start. Now, keep your spine parallel with the floor. As you lift the leg up, it should be parallel with the floor. Make sure your knees are being supported on a soft mat. The arm going up should also be parallel with the floor. As you raise the arm up, try and visualize the shoulder blade going down into your back. You're bracing your lower abs, and when you bring both the leg and the arm up, freeze frame for a split second. Right there, hold it there, that's it, every time, every time. You're over halfway now on the bird dog. Then we're going to glute bridge with a leg point next. But for now, it's the wonderful bird dog. Great core exercise, much safer than crunches. Your spine is stable, and there's movement added in through the arm and leg. 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. And rest. Lying on your back, arms across the chest. Raise your hips in the air. You're going to point one leg at a time. And you're doing 20 reps altogether. Ready to go? Let's go. That's 1, 2. The other option is the hips just go up and down. Otherwise, stay with me. 4, 5, hips a little bit higher. Keep it braced. So this is working again your core and your glutes, which are an important part of your core. Stabilize the pelvis. Don't let the pelvis drop. Nearly there, last couple of minutes of this workout. We're going over on your front next for the dynamic stretch, the Cobra stretch. Last couple of reps on the glute bridge and rest. Excellent. Roll over on your front. We're going to do the dynamic Cobra stretch to finish off. As you see on the mat, keep your hips on the floor and push your chest up off the floor, going as high as you can without hurting your back. We're doing that 3 times. Exhale and push up. Inhale going down. Exhale. Use your hands for support. Last time, exhale. And besides, bring them up over your head. Touch the hands together and bring them down through the center. Exhaling as you do so. Bring the arms up again. Big inhale. Exhale, bring the hands down. One more time. Inhale. Bring the hands down to the middle. Keep your hands together. Give yourself a clap. Well done.